you?
Very good, how are you?
Very well. So this is your ticket for the next 3 days. So make sure you keep this one safe because whenever you get inside the bus, you show these ones to the bus driver.
Okay.
You lose this one, you'll have to pay again. Because the one on your phone is no longer valid. You can't rescan it again. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning from Cape Town. We are currently on the Hop On Hop Off bus, which surprisingly we've been to 63 countries, and this is only the second Hop On Hop bus that we've ever done. So we're excited. We bought a ticket for 3 days and we got our ticket for like $25 for all 3 days, which is A+ for the budget. It's a beautiful day. This city is incredible.
We just passed the 2010 FIFA World Cup location. I didn't know the 2010 FIFA World Cup was here in South Africa, but we just passed. Oh, it's right there behind us. We're passing it right now.
We are headed to the waterfront because our ticket for the bus includes 2 boat cruises. It includes like a canal cruise and a harbor cruise.
Trying to get my headphones untangled so we can listen to the tour. Oh man, these things are a mess now. That was really good, actually.
Yeah, it was nice. I wish that it had been like a little bit more like history of the canal and the area. It was a little bit more of like a sales pitch for like these apartments and how like nice they are and expensive and that they have pools and stuff. But I feel like if you just like, you don't really need the headphones because it's not like great information, but just to like ride along and see the canal was quite nice.
We heard a big boom that went off. I didn't realize it was right at 12 o'clock, but they used to have a cannon fire every time a ship would come into port back in the day when they didn't have like any way to any technology. And so they've since stopped that, but they now do the cannon fire at 12 o'clock every single day, just as tradition, I guess. Kind of cool.
We're at Shift Espresso. We got a bagel to share and some coffee. One thing that we've noticed in South Africa and also whenever we're in Namibia is that there's such good coffee shops and really good coffee, so we've been drinking a lot of coffee so far.
That's crazy. There's so many of them. Thank you. Man, that was big.
One of the things that they said is that a lot of tourists get confused because they think that it is the Victoria and Albert waterfront, but it's the Victoria, they think it's Victoria and Albert, but it's Victoria and Alfred.
I liked the view when we went all the way out and could see the entire city, and then like Lion's Head and Table Rock and all the mountains. I thought that was really cool.
Yeah, Table Mountain is insane. It's so big.
Yeah, which I didn't realize.
Yeah. But we're getting ready to get back onto the Hop-On bus, and we're going to ride the loop around and just take in the nice views. It's a beautiful day. We are driving through the central business district right now, and it's interesting how it's the vibe is very different from even just a couple minutes over from the waterfront. It's a lot more skyscrapers and just all of obviously the business buildings, whereas the waterfront had more of the colonial decorative style buildings, and then this area is a lot more urban, but it still is so beautiful because there's palm trees lining the street, and yeah, it's really nice. And you can still see Table Mountain and Lion's Head and Signal Hill in the background, which makes for a beautiful skyline for an urban area of a city. I didn't realize that the bus was gonna bring us all the way up. We're climbing up the hill right now. There's Table Mountain here behind us, and then Signal Hill over here. And I think the bus is taking us up to the top of Signal Hill. Maybe it looks like. I don't know, we'll find out.
I didn't realize that we were going to take the mountain route. I'm getting a little car sick up here. Look what's right behind us.
I think that we're almost at the top of Signal Hill. Oh wait, is that Lion's Head behind
Yeah,
us?
I think that's Lion's Head right behind us.
Oh my gosh, you can see
Isn't that
everything. Wow, beautiful. You can see how huge this city is.
Yeah, I did not realize it's that big. We're staying in Sea Point, and when we're walking down by the promenade, you can see the paragliders come all the way down, and they come and land right in the grass by the promenade. Yeah, this is definitely where the paragliders start. You can see them right there. You can see our apartment down there, I think. With the parasailing, is it parasailing that we saw?
I don't know if it's parasailing or paragliding. I don't know what the difference is.
So I think this is where the paragliders start.
Yeah, it's
It's
up
right
here.
up here,
Yeah,
right? And then
yeah.
go all the way down.
Yeah, it's up here.
Well, now that I see the view from here, I don't know. I kind of want to go paragliding.
It is tempting. We are We're driving past Camps Bay right now, and you can see the beach over there. It's pretty big, and I guess technically it's winter right now, but there are a lot of people still on the beach, surprisingly for winter. I mean, it's a nice day, but it's not like a beach day, wear your bathing suit. But I'm sure that it is very nice in the summer, and I already feel like I want to come back to Cape Town to experience it during the summer and the beaches, because I'm sure that it's even more beautiful when you can do all of that.
The bus tour wear you out.
Yeah, we did a lot today. I mean, we rode the bus, we did 2 boat cruises, and now we're hanging out. But it was a nice day. My first impression of Cape Town, I mean, I know we haven't seen a lot yet, but it's so, as far as, I mean, I think that we've seen a lot of beautiful places that are like remote, you know, more like nature-y type of places, but for like a major city, like you normally don't see, I can't think of where else it's like a major city and there's all of these things to do in the city, but then there's like so much beautiful like nature around, like right in the city, where there's like Table Mountain and Signal Hill and Lion's Head, and then the coastline. Like I feel like that was the best part of, I mean, it was all good, but on the bus, like coming up the coastline down at Camps Bay and coming up, I feel like I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah, the city is beautiful, and it's got a lot. It's like you got the canal, and then you got the port and the coastline.
It is just as beautiful as everything that we read online said that it would be.
Yeah, my expectations are exceeded.
Wow, exceeded.
Yeah, this far exceeded my expectations.
Oh my god, my hair.
Sorry.
I like it better when I couldn't see it.
Sorry, I thought this was on. So, that's it for today. Day 1 of the Hop On, Hop Off bus. And we'll see you for day 2.